Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can install VS Code on your system. So first you need to open any browser you have. I am going for Chrome browser. Then you need to type Visual Studio Code and you need to open the first link. Here you will find options for Mac as well as Windows. If you are a Mac user, you can go for this option, or else for Windows users click this option. Here in the top right you can see the download has started. You can wait for the download to complete. Once the download has been completed, you can simply open this. You can simply click this option, or you can go for this one, downloads. Here you will see the Visual Studio Code you just downloaded. Now you need to install it. To install it, you need to double click it. Now you need to click run. Then click on accept the agreement. Then choose the location you want to install. By default it would be installed in C drive. Then click on next. Again next. And you can click this option. Create a desktop icon. It will create a desktop icon. And click on next. Then click on install. Then wait for the installation to complete. And you are done. Now click on finish. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed VS Code on our system. You can choose for now anything you want.